Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss NCERT Class 9 Chapter 1, that is Number System. In this chapter, we are going to discuss exercise 1.4 problems. Now, let us see the first problem. Here, visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Successive magnification is nothing but by using magnifying glass, you should locate given number on the number line. Here the given number is 3.765 and we should visualize this 3.765 on the number line by using successive magnification. Now let us see the first step, that is here this 3.765 lies between 3 and 4, and now we should draw the number line for 3 and 4, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. -1, -2, -3, -4. Here in this number line 3.765 lies between 3 and 4, and we should see this closely by using magnifying glass. And now let us draw the number line, that is 3 and 4, and it is divided into 10 equal parts, and each one marked it as 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and so on up to 4. And now it is the second step, and here this 3.765 lies between 3.7 and 3.8, and this should be closely viewed. And now let us draw the number line between 3.7 and 3.8, and this is divided into 10 equal parts. Let us mark it everyone: 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78 and 3.79, and finally 3.8. Here in this the number required, that is 3.765, is located in between 3.76 and 3.77, and it should be closely viewed by using magnifying glass. When we see through it, it is divided into again 10 equal parts: 3.76 and 3.77, and it is divided into 10 equal parts, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 3.761, 3.762 and so on, 3.765 up to 3.769, and the required number is here 3.765. The given number is 3.765, and this is about located the 3.765 on the number line, and it is the first question. In this way, we should locate the given number on a number line by using successive magnification. And now let us see the second question, that is here visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Here the given number is 4.26 bar. That is given 4.26 bar. It is nothing but 4.26, 26, 26 and so on. And they asked to place it on the number line up to 4 decimal places. So here this 4.26 will be located in between 4 and 5. Step 1 is 4.26 located between 4 and 5, and now let us draw the number line for 4 and 5. That is here 4, 5, and it is divided into 10 equal parts. Mark it as 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 5. And now it is the first step, and this 4.26 is located in between 4.2 and 4.3, and we should closely view this by using magnifying glass. And now it is, that is 4.2 and 4.3 again divided into 10 equal parts. That is 4.2 is here, 4.3, and now 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26 and so on. And now this 4.26 again located in between 4.26 and 4.27, and this again closely viewed. And now let us draw a number line for 4.26 and 4.27. That is 4.26 and 4.27, and this 4.26 and 27 number line should be divided into 10 equal parts, and each mark it as 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269, and the required number, that is 4.26 located in between 4.262 and 4.263, and this is again closely viewed by using magnifying glass. And again this 4.26 located in between 4.262 and 4.263, and now it is again closely viewed, and draw the number line between 4.262 and 4.263, and it is divided into 10 equal parts. That is 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623 and so on, 4.2626, and here is the required number, that is 4.2626, that is 4.26 bar, and we should mark it on this 4.2626. and this is the way how to mark a number on a number line by using successive magnification, and this is about the second question. In the next video we will discuss exercise 1.5 introduction. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.